Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to remap any button on your Xbox One controller on your Xbox One. This is very easy to do. So if we're playing a game and we want to jump with the R3 button, you can do that. So on the home screen here, let's go up to top and go to Settings and select this. Then go on down to Devices and Connections and go to Controllers and Headset right here. Then locate your controller in here and then go to Configure. Now you're going to have a profile. You can go to Profile 1. Or you can create a new profile just for this. So I have profile 2 here that I created. I'm going to go to the right, and then I'm going to go to edit right here. Now I can choose the button I want to remap. So I want to remap the R3 button, so the right stick click. And then I'm going to select map to, let's map it to the A button. Now you can see on the controller if you're a little bit confused. So the R3 button, the click, is now A. And then A, the physical button, is now the right click. So you can look at that for a little bit more clarity. Then you can swap the sticks. Invert right stick to Y-axis, invert left stick to Y-axis. Then you can swap the triggers and turn on vibration. So you can back out now and your settings should be applied. So I'm just going to make sure this is in slot 1. And slot 1 is now my active settings for my controller. So you got to have it in slot 1. And then you should be activated. So we can go back to the home screen now and press R3 to click on stuff. So let's go to home, press R3. I'm back at home. So that profile is now active on my controller. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.